Hi, I'm Mike,
And I'm Molly,
here in San Antonio, Texas with Virtuoso Builders, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. So come on in, let's take a look at what we've got to show you today. And our focus today, first of all, we're in central San Antonio right now on a project that we just got started on this month. And as you can see behind us, we're in the demo stage. I mean, there's a lot of demo. We're actually doing this entire house. But today we want to talk about why we still love the open floor plan. So
Yes.
we're standing in one that we're getting ready, that we're doing. And this was a kitchen, and it was kind of an L shape. So it's like it was a galley style kitchen, and it kind of hooked over like almost like an L shaped kitchen.
Yeah.
So everything behind here, that was a pantry. Going this way is a utility room, and attached to the utility room was a powder room. So our clients were just like, we're not going to use the powder room here, and we just
there's one
want
right
it
over there too.
open. Yeah, so you can explain.
Sure, happy to. So really,
What are we doing?
we're ripping all these walls down, and instead of having a kind of a kitchen that was a galley and really hard and not efficient and kind of cut off from where everyone really wants to hang out with the kitchen, we're opening the kitchen up to take up this entire space. So the old pantry actually is going to be part of the kitchen with cabinets and ovens.
What was this?
The laundry room we're shrinking down so we can make the kitchen bigger as well. So all these stud walls that you see, they're all gone. So basically you have this one whole big giant space to use as a kitchen, and a big island where a lot of people can sit, and it's just going to be so much more efficient, so much more useful. You're also going to have the ability to actually cook and talk with people at the same time, whereas before you're stuck in this little corner and everyone else is away from that. So it's a much more friendly environment.
That's definitely one of the reasons why we still love the open floor plan, because you get a lot more opportunity to communicate with your guests, your family. You know, in this area, we're going to have one large island going this way, and then back here will be a prep island. So there'll be a lot of opportunity for them to see each other, cook together, enjoy each other. There will be a lot more natural light and some added light that's going to happen. And then over on this wall,
So that part of opening up actually
is
we have that sealed off because we like to do sections at a time, but we're basically opening up this wall as well.
Yeah.
So what used to really be called a formal living room, which really nowadays is more of a den living room, is going to be part of the kitchen. So you can sit in there and actually look through, because this will be much larger, look through into the kitchen. So not only is the kitchen bigger, but we're incorporating kind of the other family living area into it. So it's one big nice flow.
Yeah, and right behind here, I don't know if you can kind of see that. This was a cut through, like a peek through, and there was a bar over here. So that is completely gone. And so when it all opens up, like Mike said, it'll be just a much better
It's kind of like an extension of the kitchen, basically, so that you can have several areas, but they're still all connected and within viewing area of each other. So it's just more friendly.
So you got better flow, better walkability, get more square footage. These are all
Better lighting.
pluses of having an open floor plan. And it's not as sort of chopped up.
Right, right.
So we're excited about it. Hopefully next time we'll be back here in a month, and then you'll get to see how this looks and how it's coming along. And we love your comments. We love your thoughts. And of course, share with your friends. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. And then you can see more of these kind of projects and what we're doing.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.